Hello, today we're going to give you a demo about the real-time adaptive detection and tracking system using Raspberry Pi. Over here you see that's a Raspberry Pi system. Inside Raspberry Pi we upload the ADC intelligent tracking software. Okay, on the screen now we upload the Spark image for us to select the object tracking. And let me select that. And let us run it. Now it's ready for us to run. And run. And you see right now that's the window is running. You can see it right there. If you notice, is the object tracking is in right here. And there are two windows. One window, outside window, is the region of interest. And inside is the object detection and tracking. And remember, this software is a real-time adaptation. And you track it, you detect object, and you feedback the information, you just see it. And you keep update information. And that's why when it changes, you're able to adapt the environment changing, the shape of the object changing. That's what you see is happen on screen. Yeah, totally it costs 91 seconds to process 1,457 frames. So it's roughly about 15 or 15 frames per second processing. And that's about it.